All right, check out where I am. This is gorgeous. Got a nice little fishing pond over here. Got my camping setup over here. Guys, this is awesome. Just, I mean, that far or that close from fishing to camping, right? And when I'm camping, you have to be able to bring along some places to sit. Now, I could probably create something, but why would I need to create something when somebody else has already done that for me? All right, so check this chair out. Comes in an awesome carrying case just like this. You can expand it so you can swing it over your shoulder, and it is really rough and rugged. So if it's for somebody that's a little bit bigger, this is gonna work perfectly for you. So you have a handle right here and a Velcro strap. So you just get that Velcro off and you pull. It comes like this out of the box. You got this Velcro strap you don't need to take off. Go back to the strap right here. Right here is pretty cool. It locks or unlocks. It's just really, really small twist. You unlock it. You take this out right here. It's extremely hard plastic. It's not gonna break on you. You lock it and then you unlock it just like that. So just, again, really, really small. Unlock, lock, and you got yourself a stool that you can lock back in place. And now you take the carrying case that you just had and put it on over here. Now that you have the stool set up right here, just a really quick stool, you take the carrying case that it comes in, and this is for your keister right here. You put this down over it, and now you have yourself a instant stool for a bigger person, right? It's an XL. It's gonna hold a ton of weight. Believe me, it's holding my weight. It's just fine. So if you want to get out there and do some fishing, this is going to be perfect for that. Great little camping stool around the campfire. Really compact, really portable, perfect for the RV. If you live in an RV or you are vacationing in an RV, space is limited. So you really, really do need to care about space, and this is awesome. It just folds up like that, put it away. It's really cool. It also comes with a drink holder right here on the side. So, I mean, maybe like a water pouch, you can cinch it up, put a water in there, a can in there. You got a drink pouch. The best thing about this little stool, and the reason why I have it, is really because it's lightweight, portable, very, very heavy duty, and it's gonna cinch up and it's gonna stow away and leave a small footprint. You can just slap that in your RV, in your truck, and you're good to go. So you always have a stool no matter where you're at. Isn't that cool? Like an accordion. Look at that. I love it, right? And then it just stores right back in, and it just stores right back into its carrying case, and you are good to go. The really cool thing too is you can bring this to the beach, camping, whatever floats your boat, and it's going to be easy to wash, easy to blow off, because it's all plastic except for the carrying case, and you're good to go.